Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Discord. Sorry, you have been blocked error. Let's fix it, guys. The solution consists of four steps. The first step, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. After doing this, just to close it off here. The second step, you just need to open up Chrome, click on the three dot icon and select extensions and select manage extensions. In here you need to disable all extensions, guys, especially ad blocks. After disabling it, let's move on to the third step, guys. The third step, you just need to click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, select the clear browsing data. Select advanced and time range set to all time. And you just need to check mark all of these and select clear data, guys. And after doing this, let's move on to the fourth step. On left side, you just need to select about Chrome and it will be automatically update your Chrome, guys. After finishing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.